Hi, welcome to Hungry Bites. Today I am going to share with you about my weight loss recipe. For this you need cucumbers, cut into small pieces. If you eat only the salad and lunch for about 2 weeks, you will see amazing effects in your weight and body shape. Take 1 tomato. Cut it. Take 1 cup cabbage. A half bunch of celery. Shift all ingredients in a bowl. Cut a green chili and mix all. Add cheese cube and chop 2 pieces of garlic. Some salt and pepper. Add a half teaspoon of crushed red chili. Juice of 1 lemon. If you want more weight loss recipes, please do subscribe my channel and comment below. Mix all ingredients properly. It's done now. You should eat this fat burner salad and lunch without anything else. And you lose weight up to 3 kilograms in 2 weeks. So juicy, crunchy, and full of nutritional. Eat well and stay healthy. For more amazing and healthy recipes, please subscribe my channel. Like and comment below if you want to watch healthy recipes. Thanks for watching.